Hey, good morning everybody. This morning we're working out in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, getting some paneling taken care of. Go ahead and give you an overview of the project. So right now we got 7/16" panels made to look like boards going up and down. We're just going to be placing them up against the wall right here, from here all the way down that way. And then there's a laundry room upstairs as well that we're going to be doing, but we're excited to get started on it. I'm going to put a time-lapse video in here for you guys, and then we're going to get started. Thanks. Guys, thanks for joining us on that little project that we just did with the paneling. I had a lot of fun with it. It was challenging for sure, cutting around the little electrical boxes and making sure everything will fit the way that it needed to, but overall it turned out great. If you're interested in a project like that, or you're just seeing how we could help you, I'd love to talk to you. Give me a call. My name's Richard. Give me a call at 336-705-6561. High Caliber Carpentry, look us up. Go visit our Facebook page if you want to. Check us out on the website at highcalibercarpentryllc.com. Thanks, guys. Have a blessed week, and we'll talk to you soon.